Hi friends, welcome to Garden of Beautiful Life. So this is my beautiful Ixora plant, and Ixora comes in many beautiful colors, but I have two colors, pink and red. So this is an annual flowering plant. You can plant it at any time of the year. So in this video I'll be talking about the basic care tips which you have to give it to Ixora to bear more flowers and to make and keep it healthy always. So this is the red color of Ixora, and let's talk about the sunlight first. So Ixora needs at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight to survive, and make sure at least you give Ixora 4 hours of morning sunlight. Otherwise Ixora doesn't survive, and for Ixora it is very difficult to survive indoors also. Now let's talk about the soil and potting mix of Ixora. So Ixora needs a very well drained soil, and to make the soil of Ixora I have mixed 70% of garden soil and 30% of compost. Yes, so Ixora needs a loamy soil, so I have not mixed much amount of sand or any other gravel in Ixora's potting mix. So just mix 70% of garden soil and 30% of compost, and that will be a good amount of potting mix for Ixora. Now let's talk about fertilizer. What kind of fertilizer we need to give it to Ixora? So this is vermicompost. I give vermicompost to Ixora in every 10 to 15 days, and vermicompost has a lot of nutrients, so I give around 200 grams of vermicompost in every 1 week or 15 days. So just dig the upper layer of soil first to loosen the soil, and then you can just mix the vermicompost in the soil. So the first thing is you have to dig the upper layer of soil and just mix the vermicompost in the soil, and keep doing this in every 10 to 15 days. So in that way actually vermicompost gives lot of nutrients to Ixora, and then Ixora blooms way too much than the normal Ixora blooms. So if you give vermicompost in 10 to 15 days, there will be a lot of flowers in Ixora. So you could see a big ball of flower in my Ixora. So that way your Ixora will also have the same big bowl of flowers. So these were my tips regarding Ixora. So another tip is do not overwater Ixora. So water clogging can kill Ixora also. It needs a loamy and fertile soil, but water clogging kills Ixora. So avoid that. And so these were my tips. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and please share my video.